Nyama nyama nyama.
Nyama.
Nyama nyama nyama.
Nyama.
Nyama ya mbuzi.
Nyama.
Nyama ya kuku.
Nyama.
Nyama ya ng'ombe.
Nyama.
Nyama saria. Nyama saria in Kisumu. So which school is this?
New Happy Kids.
Semeni subscribe to Onyulo TV.
Subscribe to Onyulo TV.
And happy birthday to Devins.
And happy birthday to Devins.
Asante sana. Bye. Hi guys. Hi. So I want to surprise someone here. It is his birthday. I'm at New Happy Kids Nursery and Primary. No. Shout out bana ngisjo gimoro.
Hi guys.
When
Yeah,
my
we are
boy
live in New Happy Kids Nursery and Primary School in AWASI, and we are with Onyulo. Live, check us live on Onyulo TV.
Semeni director Onono.
Director Onono.
So who knows kazi ya a director? Ana? Anafanya nini? Aya, wewe, what is your name?
Simon Prince.
Simon Prince, you are a prince. The prince of AWASI. Aya, niambie Simon Prince, do you know kazi ya director? Not really. Hey, AWASI ni jiwaje kisungu mnyaka not really nika. Is not.
the class 8s to pass their KCPE and have a wonderful exam when they want to do the KCPE. I'll be praying for them and thank you.
That is.
Hi, I'm Maria. I'm sending love to my father, Disciple Tiena.
Wow.
Hi, I'm Simon Prince. I'm sending love to my mother, Florence Akin.
Wow.
Hi, I'm Adrian Osida. I'm sending love to my mother, Gladys.
Wow.
Hi, I'm Shadrach and I'm sending love to my mother, Christine.
Wow.
Hi, I'm Dominic Sero Michael. I'm sending love to my mother, Halima.
Wow.
Hi, I'm Mary. I'm sending love to my mother, Tabitha.
Wow.
Hi, I'm Julian. Let my mother receive greetings from you.
Wow.
Hi, I'm Marian. I'm sending love to my mother, Florence.
Wow.
Hi, I'm Konduza Nyanga. I'm sending my love to my mother, Karen Atieno.
Wow.
Hi, I'm Natalie Namach. I'm sending love to my mother, Asha.
Wow.
Hi, I'm Veronica. I'm sending love to my mother, Priska. Hi, I'm sending love to my brother, Pascal Ochi.
And what is your name? You're sending love.
Samolowe.
Aye, awesome.
Hi, I'm Ryan Kiprotich. I'm sending my love to my brother, Dominic.
Awesome.
Hi, I'm Alan Kiprotich. I'm sending love to my brother, Evans.
Wow.
Hi, I'm Wendy Otieno and I am sending love to my aunt Janet.
Wow.
I'm James Otieno and I'm sending my love to my mother.
Wow.
I'm Frank Otinda and I'm sending my love to my brother.
Wow.
Hi, I am Faith Chidolo. I am sending my love to my parents.
Wow.
Hi, I'm Pedro. I'm sending the greatest wish to my friend Gladys.
Wow.
Hi, I'm Valentina and I'm sending my love to my mother in Nairobi.
Wow.
Hi, my name is Sarah Brenda. I'm sending love to my mother.
Wow.
Hi, my name is Flores Daniel. I'm sending love to my siblings.
Wow.
Hi, my name is Wendy Sherilla Roach. I'm sending love to my siblings.
Wow.
Hi, my name is Josephine Akinyi. I'm sending love to my brother and wishing him a happy birthday.
Wow.
Hi, I'm Esther. I'm sending love to my mom.
Wow.
Hi, my name is Tessa Dema. I'm sending love to my sister Queen Anako.
Wow.
Hi, my name is Nikala. I'm sending from my love to my mother Rasika.
Wow.
Hey, I'm Khan Mujama. I'm sending love to my brother.
Wow.
Hi, I am Collins Kukor. I am sending my love to my parents.
Wow.
Hi, I am Kevin Kipron. I am sending my love to my mother.
Bruno, why are you sending love with Kipruno?
Wow. Clap for Kipruno. Awesome.
Hi, I'm Thomas Okel. I'm sending my love for my friend Tabitha.
Wow.
Hi, my name is Kevin Dimon. I'm sending my love to my nephew.
Ati?
I'm sending my love to my nephew.
To your nephew? Wow.
Hi, my name is Maurice Etienne. I'm sending my love to my sister.
Your sister, wow.
Hi, my name is Elvira Okel. I'm sending love to my sister Janet Badian.
Wow.
Hi, my name is Wilfred Otieno. I'm sending my love to my aunt Beatrice.
Wow.
Hi, my name is Billy Clement. I'm sending my love to my parents.
Wow.
My name is Leona Lauda. I'm sending love to my father Paul.
You are father-in-law?
No, father Paul.
Your father Paul? Oh wow. Alright, clap for everyone. Sasa wengine wanacheka ati ule amesend love to nani, by the way. What is so funny? You were sending your love to
Tabitha.
Tabitha, wherever you are. Oh, not here. Awesome.
How are you?
We are fine. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Now, it's a good day that we are here. Didn't know it is going to happen this way.
as the rest are also attending the wedding from other side, they are also partying this side, isn't it?
Yes.
Party ni party, party ni?
Party.
So it's good that the rest has included us in this birthday, but I was not here when, how old is he today? He's 13.
13 years.
So as he starts his 13 years, I know he has made a step, isn't it?
Yes.
So we congratulate him for having involved us. At least you've seen my friend here, Onyulo. I always like some of his sentiments. And saying what made him not like Kiswahili.
Besimbi ose lal eliel. Kuri you ago liel kusi you ago simbi. So Mwalimu, I'm so happy to be here in your school. You're such an incredible person, and for the fact that tumetuacha hapa tumekuja celebrate pamoja with you pia.
Yes.
Sindio? And the other teachers were out for other stuff, but you stay to celebrate together with us. That is really good of you. Asante sana, and may God bless you. And your wish, your birthday wish, because you are not done. I'm really sorry to have cut you short. Kwanza maliza.
So I was almost completing. I always like watching his movies. Some of my jokes, you always see me joking. Some of his statements, you always see me say.
It's so, not.
Like that. Yes, I always speak some of his statements. So I wish you well, David, as you start. Hey, silence. I wish you well, David, as you start a new year in the middle of the year. Appreciate the parents for having come today. I've seen you. I'm happy.
Amen.
Inaitwa Joseph Wino. Huyu ni kijana wangu mdogo. Mmefurahi au mjafurahi na yeye?
Tumefurahi.
Sawa.
Amazing. Clap for
Say your name, please say your name.
Ambieni Leila. Leila unaangusha the whole class.
Na teacher.
Clap for her.
I want to wish you a happy birthday and may you have many more. Amen.
Who is this guy?
President.
He's the president of this school.
Yes.
President.
Is it still morning or it's afternoon? Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Thank you. I think mnanijua. Kuna wenye wanijui? Okay. I'm the mother to Devins, Josephine, and Leila. Michelle, I'll say. And Michelle. So I just wanted you guys mkuwe na furaha, msaidie Devins to celebrate this day. Unajua kupata kuzaliwa alafu ufike siku kama ya leo tulikuwa unazaliwa leo una celebrate. Sina that time. So if you get that chance you have to be happy. You must be happy because you never, that day is gone and it will never come again, okay?
Yes.
Sasa mimi kama mzazi nawatakia kila la heri in everything you do in this school. I want you guys to respect your teachers na mtie bidii sana kwa masomo. Simunono wenye wametia bidii kwa masomo wanaendelea tena kwa maisha sana vizuri. Nani ana expect it after this umemaliza hii shule alafu tena bado uko tu chini umeenda kupiga boda boda pale, nani anahitaji maisha kama hiyo? Si hakuna. We all wish our life in future to be the best one. Sasa ukisoma hapa shule, weka bidii. Weka bidii yako yote kwa masomo, especially class 8. Mtie bidii kwa masomo. Tunataka kuona watu wenye wanaenda national schools from this school. That's what makes us as parents. We feel happy Tujua kwa ile shule tumeweka watoto ni wako na bidii. Na hiyo bidii, ile bidii walimu wanafanya, nyinyi mkachukua hiyo bidii na mfanye hiyo bidii zaidi. Hakuna kuweka mchezo, even to the borders. Imagine your parent amekutoa mbali, amekuweka hapa ili usome. Amekupatia muda tu, usifanye anything. Amekupatia tu muda tu ukasome tu. So the borders, take this thing as very serious. Class 8. Yes. Wako wapi wako class 8? Mfanye bidii, wote ni borders, sio? Yes. Mfanye bidii sana. Don't disappoint your teachers, don't disappoint your parents. Tuone in the end of the year, tujue kama kumbe walimu wamefanya kazi na watoto pia wametia bidii. Okay? Yes. And I give you all my wishes na waombea sana. Mungu awalinde, alinde hii shule. Any evil thing, we cast it in the mighty name of Jesus. Okay? Mkae na amani na mpendane. You take everyone as your brother and your sister. We are here as brothers and sisters. Okay? Yes. So we create that thing called love. Unajua hiyo upendo ulitoka kwa Mungu. Na hiyo upendo ulitoka kwa Mungu tunaijenga katika roho yetu na katika kila mmoja ambaye tuko naye. So I wish you all the best, all the class 8, all the I wish success. Na mkiwa shule, even to the teachers who are not here, nimesikia teacher Fiona ametusubiri mpaka kaenda. Pass by guys. Watoto wa teacher Fiona ndio kina nani? Mpeni salamu, mwambie hata kama nimechelewa but I came, sio? Na who is not happy? Nani mwenye ana furaha? Mwenye ana furaha ni yule mwenye sasa sasa ni mgonjwa, hawezi hata kusimama, hawezi fanya anything. But sisi tuko wazima. Si lazima tukae tuko happy. Okay, nimeshukuru sana tena kuja kuwaona. Ndio sijai kuja nikawapata parent ana teacher. Don't professional. Unasikia? So mkipata ndani mwenye ako na shida, hizi mathematics nini, you have to go back to your teacher ili ukitoka hapo uwe umejua hiyo kitu unaweza fundisha yule mtu mwingine mwenye haelewi. Okay? Yes. So just do this. Na after this, mwenye anaweza kufika nyumbani kwa kina Josephine, hii nimemfanyia topa kidogo na sasa pati ya kukata mpaka hata keki nyumbani. So mwenye anaweza kufika nyumbani nimewafanikisha kila mtu. Mimi ndio naweza ningewabeba tu hivi vile.
Wapi makofi yao?
Hi, my name is Devin Sodiambo. Today is my birthday and I'm wishing for all the people who are watching. I'm so glad for Onyulo TV to come and celebrate my birthday with me here. And I'm turning 13 years. Thank you.